Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today we will talk about Google Sheet application, and I would like to show you the way how you can convert your Google Sheet documents here into PDF files with iPhone. First thing, open your Google Sheets application and your documents. So here I already have my documents open. Now you just need to go click these three small dots on the top right corner, and then you just need to go click share and export. And there will be a lot of options, but there will be no option for PDF format. So how you can get the PDF, you just need to go click print, and the system will preparing to you into the page setup, and then you just need to go make sure that the print PDF annotation is on here. Now you just need to pick which page that you want to convert into PDF. So here I'll only want the first page, so I'll let to uncheck the rest page that I have in this documents. Wait a second. Okay, I got only one, and the next thing you need to do is just go click the share button, and then you just need to scrolling into the downside and go click copy. And then you just need to go back into your home screen and open the files. And now you just need to go find the folders that you want to have, or you can also create in the new one by go click this new folders and then type PDF file, go open it, and then you just need to go tap the screen and hold it, tap and hold it, and there will be an option to paste here. Go click it, and now this document will be pasted into this folder with the PDF format. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy the whole tutorial today, and let's meet again into other video.